Okay, guys, it's like freaking snowing outside. It's so much. I'm not showing it because I don't want to expose stuff. But it's snowing like crazy outside. There's a blizzard, and literally I saw someone walking, and they almost got blown over. You guys, you should go sledding this weekend. It's gonna be really nice, but I recommend do not go to Centennial Park. Don't. I beg you. It's terrible there. But it's like a blizzard outside. So be careful. And in the link, I will give you the link to one of my private servers. If you ever want to join it, I will allow access to everybody, so they're able to use it, and join me on there if like a rare server to get a bunch of pets there. There'll be a lot of rare pets depending on whoever shows up. So stay safe and stay good. So bye.